Emergency loan means you can get the cash up to $3,000 within 15 minutes without impacting your credit score. Look at this. Emergency cash fast. And this is huge because you can actually set the loan amount right here. As you can see, you can actually start from $100 all the way up to $3,000. The loan terms can go as high as 36 months, and just for $3,000 you can pay $127 a month. This is huge, but there's an APR as well. Make sure you remember this, because whenever it comes to the emergency loans or any other loans, it comes with the hefty APR, but not as high as those cruel and painful payday loans. Keep this in mind. I'm actually reviewing a number of these on my channel, and what I recommend right here, that if you have to choose between a loan, means a payday loan, or this sort of loan, then this is way better. Why? Look at this. Let me just zoom in so you can see it properly. Even with 36 months, the APR is right around here. 28.82 means 30%. And you know about those payday loans, those are like 400, 500, 600. Well, that's the APR, 600%. And I tell you that I've seen a payday loan with 1000% APR? Quite painful to see. Americans are stuck in it, and that's where on Credit Oaks channel I want to show you these sort of opportunities. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products. But right here, this one is amazing in my point of view. If I have to choose something between, means if I have to pick something between payday and this one, of course I'll pick this one right here. So emergency cash fast up to 3,000, 36 months. I'll show you everything, but let me just tell you, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 worth of credit card with no credit check. So if you would like to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. When it comes to this very important product, financial product, I'm going to give you detailed review, so make sure to stay with us till the end. Don't miss a single second, because it might leave you confused. So please keep this in mind. They say complete your application in 2 minutes. Funds could arrive as little as in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and you can apply 100% online with no phone calls. Let me just zoom in if you can see. Apply 100% online with no phone calls required. Fast emergency loans, cash paid straight to your bank, available for all credit scores, zero upfront fee or cost. So there is no fee. As you already know that many of the companies, they actually charge you for the loan origination fee, which I personally hate, and payday loan comes with it. And you know, I've seen a loan where a person was applying for $1,000 and the origination fee was $300, so he was only getting $700 with around 300% APR. It was just injustice. It was illegal. It should be banned in my point of view. So representative example, $1,000 loan over 12 months at 29.82 means 30% APR. Monthly payment $97.44. Total repayment $1,169.28. And as I mentioned earlier, this is far better than the payday loan, so keep this in mind. Well, I'll click right here on begin application, so make sure you stay with us till the end, because I'll try to actually give you the step-by-step guide if I'm able to. I'm not going to fill the form, so make sure you remember this. Matching service, how much you can borrow as a new customer, up to 3,000. The repayment terms between are from 3 to 36 months. How quickly you can receive the cash, as fast as the same day. Well, they actually said 15 minutes. Are your decision made online? Yes. Can repay installments? Yes. Do you perform a soft search first, means no impact to your credit score? Yes. This is what I love about this specific loan right here. Well, instant online code, what you see, what it is, no upfront fee or something. You can check eligibility first. It will not impact your credit score, but remember, when you actually, if they tell you that hey, you're eligible for it, you can apply for it. When you click on it, okay, then they'll do a hard pull. So keep this in mind. There is going to be a hard pull when they actually sort of approve you or something like that. So free to walk away at any point. So no obligation. Your data is protected. Okay, yeah, I've read that in many other websites. More than just scores, lenders for all credit types. I haven't seen that they actually report to credit bureaus, which I personally would love to see, and I don't see that they do. Yeah, I don't think so they do. Well, even if I find something like this, I'll actually post it right here in the video's description, probably in the comment section as well. So please keep this in mind. How it works, I clicked on it. It says apply online, get a decision. We scan your panel of US lending partners. If eligible, you'll see available options on your screen. Of course, they'll actually match you with the lender. Receive funds once approved, the agreement is signed. Funds may be sent to your bank account as soon as the same business day. So keep this in mind. So what happens when I click on start your application? As soon as I do it, like click on it, this page opens, and right here they ask you how much you need. So let's say 3,036 months. I can change the amount, but I'm good with it. They say, what is the primary reason? I usually don't give them the reason. You know, whenever I fill out the application, I fill many applications, by the way. Home improvement, car, I usually put something else. And then of course, specific reason they want it. I still click on other. I don't want to tell them that why I need the loan. Why would I tell anyone? So do you have a checking account? Yeah, I do, right? Then you click on next. As soon as you click on next, how are you currently earning? So let me click on full time right here. How are you usually paid? Direct deposit? Yeah, makes sense. How often do you get paid? Twice a month? No, monthly. Monthly would be great. And then how much do you take home each month? Each month, let me put, I don't know, just 3,600. This is what I put in the USD application, if you remember. Like if you watched that video. If you haven't, you need to watch that video because it was a USDA guaranteed loan. So please keep this in mind. I made a video. I'm going to link it in the video description, probably somewhere. You can go to my channel and find it. At the end of the end cards of the screen, you can find it. This is a great opportunity from the government, from the USDA. So keep this in mind. So I click on next step. As soon as I click on it, this is where I should stop. They ask for your full name, means your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your cell phone number, your primary email address. I'm not gonna put it. The next step, they'll ask you for a social security number and other details. I filled it, by the way, and I didn't click on apply. Of course, I didn't want to. So that's how it works. So remember, this is a credit product. You need to do your own due diligence, your own research before you apply for any. It comes with a hefty APR. So please keep this in mind. Only apply and get a financial product if you believe you can repay, and if you literally see on paper that you have means to do it. This is what I recommend always. Just don't blindly apply for anything. But remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a credit card with no credit check, and you can get it even with bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.